Hi, friends! Are you ready to play pretend and make your big imaginations grow? Let's try fun games you can do at home with simple things. Game 1. Magic Box. I put a soft scarf in a box. I reach in, and ta-da! It's a superhero cape. What will your scarf become? A picnic blanket? A flying carpet? Game 2. Shape Safari. I look around and hunt for shapes. A circle plate, a square book, a triangle slice of toast. Can you find 3 shapes? Game 3. Tiny Chef. I mix pretend soup with a spoon and a bowl. Stir, stir, taste, What yummy make-believe food will you cook? Game 4. Blanket Fort Theater. I build a cozy fort with pillows. Lights low, story on. I act like a sleepy bear. Can you roar softly? Game 5. Color Detective. I pick a color, yellow. I find a yellow toy, a lemon picture, a sunny sock. Your turn. Choose a color. Game 6. Space Mission. I count down. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. My couch is a rocket. My hat is a helmet. What planet will you visit? Game 7. Sound Parade. I tap a cup, clap my hands, stomp my feet. Tap, clap, stomp. Make your own beat. Game 8. Story Stones. I pick a rock with a heart, a star, a fish. Heart loves star. Star meets fish. Story time. What's your story? Game 9. Shadow Show. I shine a light and make a bunny with my hands. Hop, hop. What shadow can you make? You did amazing. Remember, with a kind heart and a curious mind, every day is a make-believe adventure. Let's play again soon.